Wizkid and Burna Boy excluded from Coachella 2022 artist lineup. The Grammy Award-winning Nigerian artist Wizkid and his colleague Burna Boy has been excluded from the Coachella 2022 performing artist lineup. The Coachella 2022 is scheduled to hold on the 15th of April to Sunday 24th of April 2022, and the list for the performing artist has been released. Meanwhile, Nigerian artist Wizkid and Burna Boy could not find their name on the list, and even other African artists except for the South African DJ. Before we dig deep into this, I would like to welcome you guys back to Updates Niger. This is the Olamide, and on the platform, you know how we do it. We talk about Nigerian celebrities and we give you updates about the Nigerian music and entertainment industry. All you got to do is to subscribe to this channel and turn on post notification to enjoy more of our content. Meanwhile, like this video, pass your comment in the comment box. Like I said, the Grammy Award-winning Nigerian artist Wizkid and Burna Boy have been excluded from Coachella 2022 performing artist line-up list. The Coachella 2022 is scheduled to hold on the 15th of April 2022 to Sunday 24th of April 2022 also. And at this Coachella 2022, we expect several artists to perform, the likes of American artists which include Kanye West, Drake, and other big names in the American music industry. Meanwhile, the exclusion of Wizkid and Burna Boy has sparked a whole lot of comments on the social media. Fans of the African giant and the big wigs have commented and talked a whole lot about their exclusion from the Coachella 2022 performing artist lineup list. A Twitter user by the name Eswai tweeted that, "So Coachella be like, enough of unnecessary drama from African artists. You people got your Afrochella now, and that should be enough. I totally understand them. If na me, they head the committee safe. I no go make anybody stress me." So this person is saying that Coachella have deemed it fit that Africans now have Afrochella, and that should be all for them. That they are no longer included in the Coachella 2022 shows. Well, we all know that Wizkid also performed at the Afrochella in December. The Afrochella held in Ghana, and it was a real nice show. Meanwhile, we expected Nigerians like Burna Boy, Wizkid, and other big names in the industry to perform at the Coachella, but their names could not be found on this list. We should not forget that in 2018, Wizkid, due to the delay in his flight, missed the Coachella show, and after a successful performance in 2019, Burna Boy also got called in 2020 to perform at the Coachella 2020. But the 2022 Coachella could not, be having Wizkid and Burna Boy at the show. We do not know exactly why Coachella organizers did this, but we expect them to talk about this pretty soon, as it has been a topic of worrisome for fans both in Nigeria and even abroad. Twitter is hot right now, talking about Wizkid and Burna Boy getting excluded after having a rosy 2021. We all know that Wizkid had a real rosy 2021, right from his Made in Lagos album to the Essence song banging right everywhere, and also to having Made in Lagos World Tour, shutting down different venues, different states, different cities in the United States, and having 3 nights at the O2 Arena shut down and sold out. Congratulations to Wizkid on this, and we actually probably Coachella, due to several comments from social media, they would include this duo in the 2022 edition of the Coachella. As soon as things drop about this, as soon as anything, any info about this is dropped, we definitely would update you guys. All you got to do is to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications to enjoy more of our content. Till next time, thank you.